Bapinyo iya ki kubor man lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kana ka channel kana kicha.
Hello Meghalaya, I'm Anjali Patil and I am coming for Meghalaya International Film Festival. I would like to thank the President of Meghalaya Filmmaker Association, Commander Mr. Champlian. I would like to thank Meghalaya government. I would also like to thank ABK OTT, Advait and Adriti for extending this warm invitation for this festival. I look forward to seeing you all and have wonderful discussions with the filmmakers of Shillong and Meghalaya. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I hope you will all join us for the first ever film festival in Shillong. I'd like to thank everybody involved, including Mr. Sangma and the commander of the Shillong Film Festival, and thank him for inviting me, of course. But I do hope you'll all be there. I do hope we'll get a chance to mix and speak to each other also.